s.a.m.e Scenario and More Productions. Intro and outro have been changed due to issues with finding video files for the intro and outro. Please stand by for a future presentation.
Hey boss, I'm boss, SCP-096 escape.agp. Well warn the people who live nearby at Salt Lake City. See you later, boss.
That's a trip. They said it's so.
This message has been transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation. A SCP known as SCP-096 was seen outside of the facility, running toward a victim who saw a photograph of its face. If you seem to get a glimpse of the creature's face, it is too late. This creature is extremely hostile. Stay away. Do not bug the SCP or look at its face. Sheltering in place is not necessary unless someone sacrifices themselves to make 5 SCP go into someone's home. Child, adult, grandma, whatever age you are, you can still get killed by this creature. Do not interrupt the MTF, known as the Mobile Task Force, and the NTF, Nine-Tailed Fox, or you will be taken in as a Class D prisoner with the SCP Foundation, and trust me, you wouldn't like it. Stay tuned for more information on this life-threatening situation.
Sweetheart. Sweetheart, follow.
I did yesterday, but you might have a couple more.
Sweet. You wanna hold her?
This message has been transmitted at the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A weird creature has been seen outside. For your safety, remain indoors. Do not leave your house. This is a life-threatening situation. It's said that if you look at the creature's face, you will die. There are also reports of people bumping into the creature where they face certain death. Please do all things necessary to cover and windows or etc. that you can look outside with. Do not go outside, you are putting your life in danger. Please tune battery-powered radios to 7 p.m. for more information. Or keep your TV on. No hiding is necessary.
This has been an s Scenarios and More Productions film presentation. Intro and outro have been changed due to issues when finding video files with the intro and outro. Thank you for watching. Please watch more videos, like and subscribe.
And if you use your wrist, you can kind of get a.
Please stand by for the ending of the video.
Nice! That was good.